Hi, welcome to Morgan Industrial Technology. Come on in.
Hi, I'm going to go through a few of the things that set MIT apart from any other business in the orbital welding industry. Whenever you buy a new piece of equipment from MIT, whether it's a power supply, water cooler, or a weld head, it goes through a thorough quality check. On the power supplies, we power them up and check for functionality. We also do a test weld. On the water coolers, unfortunately, when you buy a brand new water cooler, they don't always come calibrated properly. So we take the time to fire them up, we prime the pump, and we run the coolant through the line, make sure there's not going to be any fault or coolant faults whenever you hook this up and get started. On the weld heads, we do a function test on the weld heads, we check the rotation, and we even do a test weld. Lastly, on all the cables and the plug leads, we do a continuity check to make sure that electric issues are not going to occur. Let's go on to the weld pad.
Hi, welcome to the Weld Lab. MIT's training is vastly different from any other company. Other trainers walk you through the functions of the equipment. At MIT, we start with your specific application. A great weld starts with the proper purge and prep. During the training, we will guide you through the best purge practices in addition to cutting and facing the material. We will show you all the features of the equipment and how to create a weld program from scratch, then explain the importance of the parameters used in the program. Most people don't understand the importance of high-low pulse amps. Lastly, you will have the confidence you need to start the job off right. All here at MIT.
All right, let's walk over here in the warehouse to see our rental fleet. MIT has the largest rental fleet of rental equipment in North America. We've got brands that you trust like AMI, Magnatech, Axair, plus all the saws and facing tools that you could ever want. Now you might say, Jacob, if you guys have the largest rental fleet, how come there's not warehouses and warehouses full of equipment? Well, that's the thing. We're working with so many customers, contractors, fabricators all across the country. Our equipment's on any job site you could go to. Whether it's service and repair, training, or rental, MIT is all things orbital, all in one spot. Give us a call today, 417-485-4575.